Welcome to Travelomania. So if you are watching this, today we are going to try proning. So when we are running short of SpO2 in our oximeter, that is our oxygen saturation levels are going less. So हम ये proning exercise जो है, proning breathing technique जो है, वो हम try कर सकते हैं. But then if it is flowing like below 90, you should be going to a hospital immediately. अगर आपका SpO2 levels 94, 93, 92 तक है तो आप उसको at least proning करके in a matter of 2 to 2.5 hours you can take it to 95 or 96. I have tried that myself and it works. So watch the entire video and like ask me in the comment section below if you have any doubts how to go about this. So proning के लिए हमें ज़रूरत है 2-3 पिलोज़ की, मिनिमम 3 होने चाहिए. एंड आपको प्रोन पोजीशन पे लेटना है, मतलब पेट के बल लेटना है. So I'll just demonstrate how to do this and then you can do it yourself. So right now you can see I have placed one pillow below my chest and one pillow below my hips. So the main catch is while you are breathing, जब आप breathe कर रहे हो आपका पेट free होना चाहिए. So you can see my hands coming out from here, from between the two pillows. So while you are breathing fully, there should be ample space that allows your stomach to intake that full breath. So place the first pillow the way I said beneath your chest, second pillow beneath your hips, third pillow beneath your feet. This can be adjusted according to the way you are feeling comfortable. So the hands, what to do with the hands? So we can keep our hands in a front position like this, with our chin just below the, just above the hands, or we can keep the head on our hands like this, however way you feel comfortable. Only just keep in mind that the stomach should be in a position so that when you take the breath is complete. So in this position you can lie for a period of 30 minutes to 2 hours, or the way your doctor prescribes. So the first position, that is prone position, I showed you, that you need to do for 30 minutes or like howsoever time your doctor prescribes, but it should not be more than 2 hours. The second position that we are going to follow is a left lateral position. So इसके लिए हमें एक पिलो चाहिए. आप ऐसे अपने लेफ्ट के ओर हाथ रख के जस्ट नॉर्मली लेट जाइए और नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग करते रहिए. अगेन दिस हैज़ टू बी डन फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ हाफ एन आवर to 2 hours. If you need a pillow for comfortability, you can take a light one and place it between the thighs. I showed you how to do the left lateral in the second pose. थर्ड पोज जो पूरा प्रोनिंग का है उसमें हम राइट लैटरल पे लेटेंगे अभी. तो यू कीप योर हेड टुवर्ड्स योर राइट पोर्शन ऑफ द बॉडी like this, and you can place your hand either beneath your head, or you can keep it here. Alternatively, we can keep a pillow also between the knees and rest in a comfortable position. You can do this again like for a period of 30 minutes to 2 hours. So the final stage of proning, that is the fourth stage, lies you have to sit in a position which is like 45 degree to 90 degree. You have to rest your back. So I can be in a position like this, or I can be in a much straighter position like this, and I can rest my legs on a pillow, Alternatively, doctors might tell you to keep a table here and keep your hands above the table. Now because we don't have the necessity for a table, हम बस अपना हाथ साइड में रख देंगे और इसी पोजीशन पे हमें 30 मिनट से 2 घंटा बैठना है आराम से एंड नॉर्मली ब्रीथ करना है. So the 4 things that I told you, lying in the prone position, lying on the left lateral, lying on the right lateral and sitting in this. मैक्सिमम आपका 2 से 2.5 घंटा जाएगा, बट आई कैन श्योरली अश्योर यू दैट आपके जो ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स है वो मिनिमम 2 to 3 लेवल्स जंप कर जाएंगे. So in case if you are running short of oxygen, again as I said in the beginning, and oxygen levels आपके 93, 94 तक आ रहा है, तो please prone breathing try कीजिए घर पे. One more important thing that I had forgotten to say earlier, for people who are little overweight, so उनके लिए आप एक extra pillow अपने hips के नीचे रख दीजिए so that your stomach can breathe to the fullest. So 2 pillows you can keep under your hips, 1 under your thorax or chest and 1 beneath your legs. So that will be the most comfortable position, and in this position you can achieve better sense of SpO2. Thank you.